Let's continue with chapter 4, Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. In this chapter, we already discussed about matter, means object which has a space, which has volume, known as the matter. Then after, we explain metals, non-metals, metalloids. Metals. There are so many states to the metals, physical states, lots of physical properties. According to the physical properties, we can identify which objects are the metals and which objects are the non-metals and which one the metalloids. In the nature, there are lots of objects, lots of substance into the nature. But all the scientists decided and divide into the three parts: metals, non-metals, metalloids. Non-metals, it has no, this is not just like the metals. Nature of the metals, it is just opposite of the metals. It is not shining in nature, it is not malleable, it is not ductility nature, and it is not good conductor of the electricity, but some exceptions are there. So, best definition of metals are substance which electropositive nature, means a substance which has the tendency to lose the electrons. This you will understood in the 9th class, but you understood this one, the substance which has the quality to give from R to other. That is known as the metal. Substance which has electropositive in nature, tendency to lose electrons are known as the metals. This is the best definition of the metals. According to the physical properties you understood in my previous class, this time non-metals. The nature of non-metals just opposite to the metals. After that, metalloids. The object which has no quality of the metals, no quality of the non-metals are known as the metalloids. Then physical properties you all understood in my previous class. This one, the physical state, and it means appearance. Appearance of it is hard in nature and the non-metals are soft in nature. Then malleable and brittle. Metals are malleable in nature. When you give the hammer to the metals, it converts into the thin sheets. These are the physical properties of metals. It means it spread into the sheets. But non-metals, after getting the heat, after getting the hammer, it do not spread into the sheet. It converts into the small pieces, break down into the pieces. This is known as the brittle. Then after we understood, you all understood ductility. When metals take the heat, it converts into the wire. This is known as the ductility. When you give the hammer to the non-metals, it do not make a wire. Let's test. Metals, all metals are, except some metals, exceptions are also continue in our life and continue to the physical properties of the metals and non-metals. Let's check. Nature of the metals are shining in nature. You are seeing the spoon, you are seeing the jewelry, gold, and many of the metals. These are shining in nature, but the non-metals are not shining in nature. When you give the polish onto the non-metals, then it converts into shining in nature. Now, it's the time to discuss about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So, for the chemical properties, I have taken one example here, magnesium. When the magnesium, this is the metals. Magnesium is also metals. I will send you in another video which elements are metals and which one are non-metals. But this time I have taken one metals, magnesium. It is easily available in the laboratories, and when you come back in the school, then I also explain this one in the laboratories. Magnesium metal I have taken. Then after this magnesium metal react with oxygen, we have to give the flame gases to, and in laboratory another type gas are there, burners are there. That type I am showing here one metal. This is the magnesium ribbon. When these magnesium ribbons are burned with help of the burners, it converts into a ash. Ash, you know, powdery structures, that is known as the ash. You collect this ash in a petri dish, otherwise tubes, any boiling tubes. This one my petri dish. You collect this ash. Then after, this ash is known as the magnesium oxide, because magnesium and oxygen is available in the nature. When it is not easily getting the oxygen from the nature, for magnesium getting the oxygen, it requires a high amount of heat. On the room temperature, it do not react with oxygen, so it requires oxygen. So we all have given with help of the fuels, then it make a powder. It react with oxygen and convert into the magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide, according to me, according to the teachers, according to the senior students, this is the basic in the nature, because they know what is, according to the taste, according to the nature, how many types of the substances: acidic substance, basic substance, and neutral substance. Let's take one activity there. What is the nature of this magnesium oxide? When the magnesium reacts with oxygen, make a magnesium oxide, then what is the nature of this magnesium oxide? It means what is the nature of the metallic oxide? We take a boiling tube. In this boiling tube, you take that as metallic oxide, means magnesium oxide, and you put water, because without water it will not make a solution. Then you shake, little bit you shake this one, then after it make a magnesium oxide solution. After that you will make a magnesium hydroxide solution, because when it mix with water, it react with water also and make a magnesium hydroxide solution. Then when you for checking it is a metallic oxide, what is the nature of metallic oxide, acidic nature or basic nature? You can put some liquids of litmus solution. You have listened these things in your previous class, litmus paper also and litmus solution also. Litmus solution you can put in these liquids. After which there are two types of litmus solution: red litmus solution and blue litmus solution. When you have to put both litmus solution here, red litmus solution and blue litmus solutions. When you put red litmus solution, there is no any effect on this solution. When you put blue litmus solution, there is no effect onto this solution. When you put red litmus solution, there is convert this solution, color of this solution will be changed. It will convert into the blue color. It was another color previously, but after putting the red litmus solution, it convert into the blue. This blue color identified to us all the metals are basic in nature. Okay, now we will understand the chemical properties of non-metals also in your next class. I will send you with videos. Okay.